Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to use a super useful service, Temp Mail. I'll show you how to use it, why it's useful, and how it can protect your privacy and reduce spam. Temp Mail is a free service that automatically generates a temporary email address where you can receive messages without using your real email address. This means that you don't give out your real email address, you avoid spam and unwanted emails. You protect your privacy when registering on various sites. When you open Temp Mail, you immediately get a random email address. No login or password required. Benefits of using Temp Mail. Clean your main inbox from spam. Helps you stay anonymous online. Useful for testing web applications. Ideal for one-time registrations. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Write in the comments, which service did you use Temp Mail for? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.